In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Terraria PlayStation 4 split screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow, straightforward instructions on how to set up split screen on any Terraria world that you have. You will be able to play with someone else sharing the same screen, and this is going to work on any version of modern Terraria on your PlayStation 4. So go ahead, open the game. Now, what you have to do is, instead of going over to multiplayer, you actually have to go into single player. As weird as this may seem, for you to do split screen on Terraria, you have to host a single player world. So choose the first option, single player, and now you can go ahead, create your first character, and then create a world, or just join any pre-existing world that you have. It doesn't matter. You just need to make sure that you are inside of a single player world. Once you are inside, you can go ahead and connect an additional DualShock controller to your PlayStation 4. Co-op can only be done through 2 players on split screen, so keep that in mind. Back then, you used to be able to do 4-player split screen, but it seems like the option was removed with 1.4. So once the host joins the world, all that you have to do after you connect the secondary controller is to press the X button. So by pressing the X button on the secondary controller, the player 2 is going to load in immediately. They will be able to set up their own character for that world, and you just have to make sure that they have a user profile assigned to them. Once they create the character with the user profile successfully assigned, you will be able to play the entirety of Terraria in split screen co-op, and this is going to work for any single player world. You just have to make sure that you connect an additional DualShock controller, that you assign a user profile, and that you press the X or start button on that DualShock for you to do split screen on Terraria 1.4. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Terraria PlayStation 4 split screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.